Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I have some very exciting news. We successfully passed our 5ers prop firm challenge, and we can now proudly say that we're certified high-stakes funded traders. And this has been quite the journey, and we want to share with you guys just how we passed this challenge. And so here you can see this is the 5ers high-stakes challenge that we were doing. And we started this challenge on October the 3rd, and we passed it today on November the 16th. So it took us a little bit over a month to pass both Phase 1 and Phase 2. And it was very interesting and challenging at times, but we persevered because, as you know, we have been trading for many years now, and we have solid tools and solid strategies that we use from time to time to trade the Forex markets. Now, as you can see, this is our growth. And as you can see that there were a lot of moments where we made money, we lost money, we made it back, we lost it, and we just continued growing. And each time we lost, we made sure that we came back even greater. And so now what I'm going to show you is the thought process behind the winning trade that we made this morning, which was a EURCAD buy. So I'm going to hop on over to our TradingView platform, and I'm going to go to EURCAD, just so you'll be able to see exactly what we did. And so we took this trade on the 15-minute time frame, and this was our entry right here. We had a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio, so we risked 10 pips to make 40 pips. So that's our strategy. And so now it's very easy actually. This morning, the main thing that I did was identify the trend. That's the first thing that you have to do. So what I did, I turned on my Heikin-Ashi. My Heikin-Ashi candles were all green, so obviously this is a buy trend. But I didn't just enter at any random point, I made sure that I entered on a fair value gap. And now if you don't know what a fair value gap is, you can watch one of our previous videos in which we covered this topic. But for those of you who know, these are very good areas in the market for reversal trading. So let me just turn this back on. So with fair value gaps, you can get very solid entries. And let me just move this aside. So as you can see this morning, I saw a bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. So I entered right here and aimed for a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. And so what I'm going to do now is log into my VPS. Okay, so now I'm going to show you our fair value gap indicator on our MT5 platform. And this is what we actually used this morning to pass our challenge. And so as you can see, this is the 5ers server. This is the 5ers 5% demo account. And this is what we do our challenges on. And so this was the trade that we took this morning. Now, as we mentioned before, the fair value gap is very good because it allows you to get premium entries when you're trading. So the first thing that you have to do is basically just identify the trend. And once you've identified what the trend is, then you know what fair value gaps to pay attention to. Because as you know, you have bullish fair value gaps and you also have bearish fair value gaps. So if you're in an uptrend, you pay attention to the bullish fair value gaps. So that is what happened this morning. At 7 a.m. I saw this bullish fair value gap. The price was here, and I waited until the price touched the fair value gap again. I entered a buy, and I had a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. Now it's a very simple strategy, anybody can do it. And I highly recommend that when you're trading a prop firm or you're trying to do a funded challenge, your risk to reward ratio is the most important thing. All I need is one winning trade to make up for all my losses. And so that's basically it, guys, and I highly recommend this program to everyone. And we're very proud of this accomplishment. This is a great milestone for us. And we've even received congratulations in the official 5ers group. So you can click on the link in the description below to get our fair value gap hunter indicator, and this will definitely help to take your trading to another level. And also, if you're interested in taking on the 5ers high stakes challenge for yourself, you can also use our affiliate link in the description below. And 5ers has an amazing opportunity for you guys. They have very flexible options available. So for instance, to take the challenge to get a $5,000 account, you would pay $39. So you can just imagine, guys, this is a very big jump. This is a very affordable way to access a large amount of capital. And you can take a look at the other options as well. And we truly want to thank 5ers for giving us as traders this wonderful opportunity. And very soon, we will be releasing our course. Yes, our very first Forex course. And this can be for both beginners and for experts. It will show you guys the right strategies to use to pass your prop firm challenges. So thanks again, guys, for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.